Hey everyone, welcome back to an episode of Create with Linda. So it's Saturday, guys, and I'm getting some stuff done for Easter for tomorrow. Okay, so I'm bringing you on because I'm going to make a poke cake. This is my first time ever making a poke cake. I got the idea from Fallon from Moss Family TV, guys. Go check her channel out. She's awesome. But I've seen it on other channels and stuff too, and I've seen it on Pinterest, but her channel really inspired me to make this because she makes it all the time and it just looks so good. And I figured for Easter I wanted to do something different. I usually make like a cheesecake or a pudding pie or stuff like that, but I figured let's make this Jello pudding poke cake today. All right, so let's get started, guys. So I have all my stuff set up ready. Let's put you over here. Okay, let's lower you. You're on the tripod today, guys. Figured I'd use a tripod today because I'm going to be in and out. I'm going to be kind of vlogging today, in and out, because my hubby is outside doing some stuff, so I'll be in and out. Just give me a second to get this situated. You know, it's a work in progress, as Scott sees. And Billy is outside Cooper, and you know how that goes. He's probably yelling at him for something. Let's see if that's good. All right, guys. Yeah, that's good. Let's be a little bit closer. Just bear with me. All right, guys. How to get you situated. All right, so what it is, guys, it's a white cake. Okay, I'm gonna have to bake the cake, and then after the cake is done, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. This is my first time doing this, so I'm just doing it with you, like, you know, we're doing it together. So guys, how's your weather today? It's supposed to be like warmer today, but it's only like 40 degrees still. It's chilly out. It's cold. I'm ready for that 70 weather. Like, bring it on, ready. All right, so I got just a white cake. You get whatever brand you want. I got Aldi's brand. It's very good, 85 cents. Awesome cakes. Nothing wrong with them. I always feel like I have to defend Aldi. Why is that? Because I feel like some people think that it's like a different store, like it's like a no-frills store. It really isn't. I mean, yes, they have their own brands, but it's not no frills. And they even have real brands, see? They even have regular brands too there, guys, you can get. You know, some things, every day they're putting in more and more regular brands at Aldi's prices. So it's really good. These most 95% of these products are good. There are some things that, like, if you use and you say, oh, I don't really like that. There are a couple of things that I'm not crazy about from Aldi, but that's from any store. You know what I mean? But yeah, I always feel like I have to defend Aldi. That's ridiculous. Aldi's great, guys. If you have an Aldi by you, believe me, go there, because you will go back and back and back. So reasonable and so cheap. Reasonable is the same thing as cheap, but you know what I mean. All right, gotta put the glasses on. All right, I preheated the oven already. Now I have to preheat for metal and glass pans, or coated pans, generously greased pans. Okay, I'll do that in a minute. Let's do this first. Blend the cake. Mix water, oil, and egg whites. All the egg whites. All right, let me get two things, guys. Give me 1 second. Yeah, so it's a sunny day, but it's chilly. But supposedly later it's gonna be nicer. So we'll see. Hopefully, some water. And what did I say else I needed? Oh, another little thing for the egg whites. I'm asking you guys, like you guys are gonna answer me. I wish you guys could answer me. If we were live, you could answer me, but You know how that goes. Gotta have 1,000 subscribers. And I'm not there yet. I'm at 312. I've been fluctuating from 315 to 312 to 317 to 312. I don't know what's going on, guys. I'm not even looking at it because it's just, it frustrates me, and I'm just gonna worry about having a good time and doing this stuff for you guys, which is why I do it. But you always get caught up into that little subscriber thing, you know, once in a while, but whatever, it's fine. Okay, so I always get thrown off track. All right, so I need 3/4 cup water plus 2 tablespoons. 3/4 cup water. This is a 1/4 cup. Okay, so Linda, what are you, a knucklehead? So 1, 2. Oh, I gotta get my sour cream out. I always put sour cream in my cakes, guys. Look at that, a little shy. Let me get a little bit more water because I need tablespoons of it too. I don't know, I'm nauseous a little bit. I thought it was because I was hungry. And so I had a light English muffin. And I don't know, I still feel a little nauseous. Like a little queasy, why is that? Okay, so that's 3. And then I have to do 2 tablespoons. 1. Let's do it this way. And 2. Let me get rid of this water so I can use this. What are you doing, Bodie, for a row? He wants to go out, but then when I let him out, he wants to come in. What? He don't know what he wants. He's like confused. All right, so I got the water. Water, oil, and eggs. And how much oil? I need 1/4 cup of oil. Vegetable oil. Vegetable oil. I said 1/4 cup, but I was making sure because, you know, I'm a little forgetful. Okay. Oh, I gotta get my sour cream. That's what I forgot. All right, we got the vegetable oil. Like that. And 3 egg whites. 3 egg whites. God, the shell's so small. Woo! Ah! No yellow, no yellow. This is not working out. This is not working out at all. I got some yellow in there, guys. I didn't get a full egg white either. What are you gonna do? Like, you can't be perfect. Let me go rinse my hands real quick. That egg just didn't want to cooperate. Hopefully we can do this. We can do this again. I'm gonna put another egg in because I only got a drop, so I don't know. We'll get the sour cream all over here. That'd be good, huh? The sour cream. And then we get a spoon. Okay, I got about a half of it. I think about a half of it. I wonder if I can, there's a way that I can, no, there's no way to do that, to separate it now. I'm just thinking out loud, guys. All right, guys. There we go. All right. I'm going to do that because I'm sure it got some of the other one. All right. Oh boy. Oh boy. They have those egg separator things. I think I bought those before, but they never seem to work like they say. So, all right, one more. Oh boy. Fun days. Woohoo! Here we go, guys. Now I gotta go wash my hands again. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, let's put these over here. It's over here. And let me go wash my hands. This I'll use for scrambled eggs. Yeah, it has a little cake batter in it, but you know, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Nobody will know. All right, so they got the egg yolk, the egg whites in there, the water, the vegetable oil. Now we're gonna start to blend it, and then I'm gonna put a little sour cream in it, guys. Sour cream, guys, makes the cakes really, really moist. So a little dollop of sour cream, a dollop of Daisy. No, this isn't Daisy. All right. Beat for 2 minutes at medium speed until smooth. Well, it would be nice if I plugged it in, guys. You usually have to plug things in order for them to work. I feel like I'm getting a little bit of a cold. I said that yesterday. All right, medium for 2 minutes. Let me get my phone, and let me get my little spatula thing. So I know what 2 minutes is. Oh, I should have just did Alexa. Alexa, set the timer for 1.5 minutes. Alexa, set the timer for 1.5 minutes. Sorry about the noise, guys. Let me put the sour cream in quick. This one isn't even open. I'm gonna give it a nice big spoonful. Everybody always says to me, Linda, your cake is so moist. Wearing my apron today, guys. Scrape along the bowl to get all that stuff down. Alexa, stop. I stopped for a second, so I'll just go a couple more seconds. Are you crazy? This little brat over here just scared me, guys. That should be good. You don't want to over mix our batter. Nice and creamy. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I have to grease the pan. So I'm gonna spray it. It says to put flour in it too, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna spray quickly over here so I don't get it anywhere else. And then I put a little bit of flour. I guess I decided to do it. Just a little flour. It's not really going anywhere. Let's smush it around. Smushy smush. Okay. I do things backwards sometimes. All right, guys. Let's get this in the pond. Alright. God, Miss Jennifer's coming down. Miss Jennifer's coming down. She's gonna be, Mommy, can I help you? Mommy, can I do this? Mommy, can I do that? She wants to do eggs. Her and Julie's gonna do eggs in a little while. So we'll video that too.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Ken. All right, there we go, guys. I'm gonna put it in the oven, okay? And then I'll be back.
What's up?
What's up? Nothing. What's up with you?
I'll be on Zoom at 1.
I know you're gonna be on Zoom at 1. All right, Alexa, set the timer for. Bless you. Set the timer for.
For how long?
She's asked me for how long. For 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Starting now.